Well, all through my senior year of high school, I worked at a fast food restaurant, and when I graduated, I just chose to stay in that because I needed to make money. I'm a hard worker, and I'm very responsible, and I stay on top of making scheduling, shifts, dealing with the employee turnover, the customer service. But at the end of the day, it's just such a grind, and it's exhausting, and I needed something different. You know, I think what drew me to Pierpont, it was close to home, small classroom sizes. They would work with my crazy, hectic schedule. You know, I think my biggest fear coming back to school is the fact that, I'm not 18 years old. And I didn't know how I would blend in. I didn't know how I would adapt. I didn't know how I would absorb the content coming at me. But I gotta tell you something, the students have been great to learn with. The professors have embraced me. Everybody's accessible. And what I like here is that everybody roots for each other. Another exciting thing was I went to a job fair recently with some of these guys, and I had 3 companies already willing to offer me a job in airplane engine maintenance. So watching my son graduate with his degree, that served as the motivation. I could go and get a second chance on life and have a new career. Students don't just come here, learn, and go back home. They come here, learn, and they go to work. I now realize this is where I should have gone all along. I should have gone here right out of high school. I'm making up for that lost time. And I'm also able to talk to these other younger guys here and tell them, hey, don't let anything sidetrack you from your vision and your passion. Find that career, chase that career, and stay with that career.